Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make crème brûlée at home without a torch. It's easier than you think to achieve that signature crackly top. We'll be using a common kitchen appliance, your oven's broiler, to create that beautiful caramelized sugar crust. This technique ensures a delicious dessert with a perfectly crisp finish, proving you don't need specialized tools for gourmet results. Let's get started on this delightful culinary adventure. To begin, gather your simple ingredients: 5 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic comforting aroma. First, gently warm the heavy cream and vanilla in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until they become a pale yellow and slightly thickened. This careful preparation sets the stage for a smooth, luscious custard. Now it's time to combine our ingredients. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg and sugar mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. Next, divide the custard evenly among 4 to 6 ramekins, filling each about 3/4 full. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then carefully add hot water to the dish, creating a water bath that reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Chill for at least 4 hours. The final, exciting step is creating that iconic crunchy topping. Make sure your chilled crème brûlée is completely cold. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each custard. Now, place your ramekins on a baking sheet and position them under a preheated broiler, about 6 inches from the heat source. Broil for just 1 to 3 minutes, watching very closely. The sugar will quickly bubble and turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove immediately. Let cool for a minute and serve your perfect, torch-free crème brûlée.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.